Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in DocuSign. So once you're on DocuSign, if you want to go ahead and add your signature, click your account on the upper right and then click on Manage Profile. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on Signatures on the left hand side. And from here, you can add a signature. So once you click on add, you can now go ahead and add the full name, for example. So I'm going to use Drew Tutorial as an example. And there are a few ways how you can do this. You can go ahead and choose from the options that are shown right here, or you can draw. Simply means that you can somehow use your mouse to draw your signature, or you can go ahead and upload your signature if you have one. So as you can see, you can upload it. If you have it somehow, you can add that in. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to draw it. And you can imagine if you're using, for example, a tablet, you can just use your finger or your pen and just simply write your signature. If you're using a touch screen laptop or something like that as well, you can use your finger or pen or whatever to draw your signature. Now I'm going to go ahead and just write something here. For example, let's say that is my signature. I go ahead and I add it. Now, once you add your signature right here, you want to go ahead and draw it. Then here as well, you need to draw the signature as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw something, for example, and let's say that's it, right? I'm going to go ahead and now click and create. You have the name option right here. You have the option which I'm choosing for draw, or if I have, for example, the files, I can upload them here as well. So these are the options, and you want to do it in both places. So upload it here, upload it here. So you can upload your initial right here, or you can upload your signature. The same section, you upload the draw signature right here, and you can draw your initials right here. It's really up to you. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and just do it. So for example, I'm going to do DT, for example, and the choose, you just choose something. So let's work with the draw option. I'm going to click on now create. And as you can see right here, it's going to create my signature, and have a look at that. So that's it. You have those signature. You can even add more signature as well. And you have the option right here to edit the signature or delete your signature at any point in time. But that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add a signature in DocuSign. Very easy and very simple.